Hello guys, welcome to ESL Powerhouse. In today's lesson we are going to study future tense with will. The simple future tense with will is used to express spontaneous decisions made at the moment of speaking. Look at this example. I just realized we are out of milk. Oh really? I'll go to the store and buy some. In this sentence, you know that her husband made a decision spontaneously. Spontaneously means immediately, or we can say right away. Then his wife says, "Great, and can you also pick up some bread while you are there?" Her husband answers, "Sure, I'll get that too." "Thanks, I was about to go myself, but I've got a meeting soon." "No problem, I'll take care of it now." This is the structure of future tense with will. S stands for subject. Well, you know it is a helping verb. It helps us to make the future tense. V stands for verb. And C stands for complement. What is subject? Subject is a person, place, or a thing that we talk about. What is verb? Verb shows a state or action in a sentence. What is complement? A complement is a word or group of words which complete the meaning of a sentence. For example, Ali will fix the car. In here we are talking about Ali, so Ali is the subject. Will is a helping verb. It helps us to make the future tense. Fix is the verb because it is the action of the subject. The car is the complement because it completes the meaning of the sentence. Now let's make sentences using this structure. Now can you tell me what is the subject? Very good, he is the subject. So we write it with capital letter because it is the start of the sentence. The next thing that we need is will. So we write will. Now we need the verb. What is the verb? Very good, finishes the verb. And the rest is the complement. He will finish his homework soon. The next one, what is the subject? Very good, they is the subject. The next thing we need is will. Now we need verb. Come is the verb. And the rest is the complement. The last one, what is the subject? Very good, I is the subject. Next we need will. Now what is the verb? Great, call is the verb. And the rest is the complement. Now this is the structure to make the question form. First we need will. Next we need subject. Next verb. And the next one complement. Will he finish his homework soon? Next one we need will, subject, verb, complement. Will they come to the party? Will, subject, verb, complement. Will I call you later? Now this is the structure to make the negative form. First we need subject. Next we need will, not, verb, and complement. He will not finish his homework soon. Next one, they will not come to the party. They will not come to the party. Next one, subject, will, not, verb, complement. I will not call you later. Pause the video and complete the following sentences by using the correct form of will and a suitable verb. Very good. Now let's check. I will visit my grandparents next week. They will buy a new car soon. She will start her new job tomorrow. We will go to the park after lunch. You will enjoy the movie tonight. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.